Hey, my name is Jimmy. Today, I'll be taking a look at the Transformers More That Meets TI, Barricade, and Autobot Ratchet. And yes, I'm making this a double review because I have two big boy Transformers to review. I wanted to do a review on these guys in one video, but I'm gonna do the two big boys, but I'm gonna review the two big boy Transformers in separate videos. You know. So maybe we should take a look at Barricade. He is, in fact, a police car, and, And you know who else is a transforming police? Ignore it. The Hogo Kid. SWAT Corps. That, that guy's also a Transformers robot. Transformers police. Ratchet is an ambulance with red wheels for some reason. Ratchet. And Barricade has, of course, the good old black wheels. There's some metallic blue paint that doesn't chip, fortunately. And I do like that. I don't know if this is also... I don't know if this is metallic painting that doesn't chip. I don't know. They just went with it's full blue, sky blue paint. And the underside, and they're not that bad. So Ratchet rolls fairly well, and Barricade. I said Ratchet, and he actually comes with his accessories. Well, these are not actually his accessories; these are actually his feet. And yes, I do pop off his feet just so that the vehicle mode can be tolerable. You know. Let's move on to the transformation. Oh, hold on, wait, what? Why does he have gold painted window with two black holes? That's weird. So for Barricade, you gotta untap that. Spread out the arms. Flip out these things. Get these arms out of the way and put that down. Flip these arms out. And then twist the head around. The instructions don't tell you to spin the head around, but it makes them much easier to. Now, see. Here's Barricades Instruction booklet. Wow. Well, yeah. Okay, I'm trying to find Barricades Instruction booklet. Oh, I found it. Here's Barricades Instruction booklet. Oh, and before I forget, plug in these feet. Instructions also don't tell you to take off the feet. I just thought it. But taking off the feet is much easier. And now let's do Barricade. You gotta pull this out. And that's sticky tack, don't worry. Split up the legs. Fold these things into the legs. They don't tab in. Yeah, but the ball, yeah, it's not working for some reason. Untab the arms, and there you have his face, which looks kind of cute, to be honest. Untab these parts from the arms, and fold them down. Well, you gotta pull them up. Pull these top of the arms up. Yeah, this leg is by far the most annoying part of this figure. And now I have these two all complete, and gosh dang are they impressive. Barricade's back is not the best though. You can fold that down just to clean out the back a little tiny bit. But what I like to do is do this, so that way it doesn't fall down. But then it makes the backpack way more worse than it was. Yeah. But Ratchet's back. Perfect. There's no kibble. Look. Indeed, they do have articulation. Oh, before I move on. Oh, hold on, yeah, the instructions also tell you to flip down these. Well, they tell you to fold them up. Before I do move on to the articulation, I want to show you a mode that I just made up. First, I gotta, do that. Same thing with the other leg. Have these out for more support as his feet. And now you have a short mode, which I just made up, like I said. Now it makes them the same size. Now it makes them the same size as the Transformers Wars of Cybertron Trilogy Kingdom Core Class Optimus Prime, which I still have. And his Ion Blaster, here he is, still have him. Now, let me flip these back. Let me get him back to its original size and move on. Actually, I want to tell you something even more. I do like how this top can extend and then fold down. But these are kind of annoying to work with. And there's even some gray metal parts on this guy. Ratchet just is a plain white, which is pretty accurate to a real ambulance. Barricade has a swivel at the head, ball joint at the arm. This part is annoying. You even get a bend at the arm, which is really nice. Yeah. I can move up to that, but that's more for transformation. Get up. But really. Okay, not really tight, but tight ball joint at the leg. They both have a okay, Barricade kind of has a good spread, but Ratchet. Hold on, let me move his arms out of the way. A beautiful spread. Okay, not okay, but kind of has a better spread. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot that you can bend, but you can cheese it a little bit and make that a double bend at the knee. Well, a fake one to be. Well, a fake one. We ball joint can be a. Don't worry, it plugs right back in. Ball joint, yeah, ball joint at the knee, like Optimus Prime and Shockwave. This part moves up. You even get the ball joint at the ankle, and you get a decent pivot. Now, Ratchet's turn. He kind of has a really tight ball joint at the head. Yes, his head is at a ball joint, but it's really tight. It's more like I hold him out his horns to do it. Ball joint at the arm. Can push in, but that's more for the transformation. Bend at this elbow. Double bend at the elbow if you use the ball joint. But this one is wobbly. This ball joint at the arm is wobbly. Ball joint at the legs like barricade, but this one pops too easily. But no ball joint at the knee. Are you serious? No pivot either, but his feet are sculpt did at an angle to simulate a pivot. And those feet do hold him up pretty well. Let's see if he can handle the one finger push. Huh, he can take it. Harder. Ooh, he can still handle it. He can't handle that. But Barricade, on the other hand, I think he can't even stand up. Finger push. Okay, he can handle it. He can't handle that. Yeah. Look at that Autobot symbol. Right there. And that, right there, is a Decepticon logo. I'm reviewing an Autobot and a Decepticon. That would be a pretty good matchup. These guys are clearly designed to be played with. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if I'll get what. I don't know if Ratchet will get the kissy. Sorry. I think Barricade. I think they both get the one kiss treatment. No, where are they? Overall, I think these figures are pretty good. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit bell notification. That way you won't miss my review on the Big Bar Transformers. And before I end the video, let's talk about these size comparisons. These guys are quite tiny. There's the Transformers War for Cybertron Kingdom Leader Class Mega Ultra Magnus. And the Transformers. Transformers, the movie. Dinobot Slug, who is in fact a big boy. I got the Dinobot Slug and Ultra Magnus from yesterday. And should I do the rest of the other Transformers? I think I should do it just for the sake of it. Let me just transform Optimus Prime real quick. I'm trying to get the... Yeah. There we go. And here he is, next to the Transformers War for Cybertron Trilogy Kingdom Core Class Optimus Prime. Yes, I did figure it out. I did figure out that this guy is a Core Class figure. And the eyes are in fact painted, but you can barely see it. Oh gosh, that's blurry. And hold on, let me transform Shockwave real quick. Transformers, more than meets the eye, Shockwave. Oh. He's looking right at... Look at that. He's looking right at me. He's like, why do you always treat me like this? Get out of here, Shockwave. You weirdo. Oh, they both fell. And, of course... let me get these figures back. Let me get these guys back up. Ah! There we go. The Godzilla vs. Kong. Godzilla with T-Ray. 31. And of course, the Hogo Kid SWAT Corps. These guys are pretty tiny compared to this guy. Who's still not a piece of garbage. It's not the best. Let me get this guy out of here. So, peace out, bippity bop lollipop.